kurebaho omisho gawe nigasha screen yawe hano ya tayari West n'abanyishengero abagarurayo nomination forms kandi bari ku picking nomination ningashi okuba nominated ekigambo nominated waza kuchitoma runyankore oraza kuchironda nambwa kibanze cyakushobera konka kiramanyisa okuhamya ningashi okukakasa ku bikirizibwa okwesimba hantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi in this case turi kureba hantebe y'abanyishengero batari bamwe na bamwe kandi yabugo uri kurebaho nibinji munonga narebaho Minister wa Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Fisheries Honorable Frank Tumwebaze kandi uri member wa Parliament muri Kibale muri Bunyoro. Yes, kandi nawe ari kwakira nomination forms not picking nomination forms ningashi bari kukakasa kubaza kwesimba. Habaho ori Deputy Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa oriwe member wa Parliament habwa Ruhinda County North mu district ya Mitoma kandi nawe bari kuza twaza kureba yaba babahamya yaba babikiriza kugaruka kwesimba. Aba bakatwara nomination forms kandi bayoreka interest eki okurugira roadmap ya NRM Electoral Commission kandi ugu mushije muri kureba ya kwato muzindaro niwe Dr. Tanga Odoyi urakurira ibyo kuteza karuru mu kibina cha NRM. Bari hakitebe kikuru cha NRM muri Chadondo Road. Yes, kandi ubwo ni Minister Frank Tumwebaze uri kureba ari kwata mu ngaro za Dr. Tango Doyi ekiri koreka ngo bahiza kumuhamya bamwikiriza ku agumizamo agaruka kwesimba hantebe yo kuba munyishengero wakibana katubihuri katurebe Dr. Tango Doyi bya kwata muzindaro ko ari kuranga rero twamara tubone kwinjira
Chairman Toyota, I saw him here. Chairman Toyota, Kabuta, to leave this place. After the speaker, I want to hear Chairman Toyota Kabuta leave this place. On behalf of the Commission, I do nominate Honorable Kamatine Rosalind for Tungamo District Women. Let me see the speaker out.
Cut it. Let's. Okay. Sorry.
Wero nibyo biri bitima kitebe kikuru cha NRM head office muri Chadondo Road muri Kampala kandi nko twabagambire bamara kunominatinga abamwe ngo mutwareba Deputy Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayibwa kano myishingiro bwa Ruhinda North muri Mitoma District nareba na Woman MP wa Mitoma Honorable Bashasha nawe yahereza kumunominatinga nareba Woman MP ya Bwantunga mo District Honorable Bata kama Teneti nabo baza kumunominatinga aho turagambira I think Deputy Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayibwa yaza kugamba hona n'abantu n'abanyamahurire ni rero turebe okwashemererwe mu rya Rubavu no mu kazi we Anita Tayebwa reka turebe ebiri kugenda mishwa.
Thank you. I'm very happy for being successfully nominated once again as a Member of Parliament for Ruhinda North County. And I've been nominated alongside my woman MP also, Honorable Juliet Bashisha, who is again also standing as woman MP. And my chairman, RC5, has also been duly nominated. Just a while ago, General Tafiri has also been duly nominated. So I think Mitoma, we are already moving on very well. But also it shows the importance of unity, the importance of unity of purpose, because we are all here serving our people. I do hope that the exercise across the country will go very well. I have my friends whom I'm going to be competing with, and we are going to be having an exciting race, because it's always exciting when you exchange ideas and you see what others are doing. Maybe we run from each other. So we are going to have, I promise that we are going to have a very peaceful campaign, a very peaceful exercise in Mitoma that will follow the required rules of the NRM. and we shall respect the outcome once the people have spoken. With that, I really do hope that the development that we've been fostering, how we've been lobbying for services to go to the district, but beyond that, serving the country in general, really I'm so much excited and very proud to be holding the flag of the NRM. I just can't wait so that we sort ourselves as NRM and then we go to meet our colleagues from other political parties in the general election.
You're talking about you come with other people. How's a team, nearly almost a team? The importance of working together in this one campaign.
Yes, it's very, very important. As Mitoma leaders, we are working together. It's very, very important because, you see, the moment you work together as leaders, it becomes very easy. A very good example. Because I'm a speaker, I'm a deputy speaker, and I'm always seated maybe and then we have General Tafide who is coming. Now, the moment we have issues that will affect our country and we want them pushed, then we go to General Tafide and we say, help us push these issues in the cabinet. And then once we've done, we have a chairman LC5 we work with. So it becomes very easy for him to implement and work with us. So that's the purpose of unity. Because if the focus is your people, if the focus is your area to develop it, then as a team, it becomes very, very easy for you if you work together. But the moment you don't work together, then you start putting into sides that are not helpful for the local people. Uganda. Mutereze burungi kamera kubanga tugenze ndi musanyufu nnyo kubanga maze kwewandisa akuddamu kwesimbako ku bwa memba wa parliament okukiikirira ab'Ebuganda North constituency. Naze n'omukyala woman MP wange Honorable Juliet Bashisha naye gwe maze kunominatinga then nenzija ne chairman LC5 ya nominatinze nange nemunominating ne deputy speaker wange ari wano naye amaze kwewandisa. So kati tuliko kyakulaba ntugenda mu kunoonya akalulu mu bantu ate nga buli omu tumuwa chance kubuulira abantu kiki kyayagala kukola ng'abantu batuwuliriza ne basalamu kye banaasalamu kyonna tujja kukikiriza kubanga ffe tuli yero tuli NRM yesalamu ewaffe nga tolina bendera ya NRM awo kyoba olimu byakusaaga. So tulina kulaba nti abantu baffe tuba consolidatinga kola akaluula akalungi ne watabeeramu effujo oba banyisaganya ebigambo begamba nti bwe muva mu kaluulu kibeere kyangu kureconcilinga. Ekyo kyembuulira abalonzi bonna n'abeesimbyeko bonna eggwanga lyonna mugezeeko mulabe nti olulimi lwammwe lwe mukozesa terwawulamu abantu ba bulijjo kubanga bwe tuva mu kanwa ka NRM tujja kwetaaga kutuula wamu ffena ababadde beesimbyeko tuwagire ono oyo anaaba nga afunye fulani naye bwe tuwanyisaganya ebigambo ebiruma nnyo ne tuvumangana awo kijja kubeera kigumu kubeerako ne reconciliation. Kyolabira nga wajjamu ba independent awo bakomaawo bagamba wankola kino. So nsaba bonna beesimbyeko eggwanga lyonna ffenna abantu ba NRM bino bya mu nyumba katukole ng'abo mu nyumba nga b'Oluganda tegeere nti waliwo pate yaffe n'eggwanga lyaffe ebitusinga amaanyi. Bwe tuva wano ffenna tugende ku mulamwa gwa pate kwata furaga muka general election obumu unity. Nsaba abantu eno yesaawa ey'okulaga nti abakulembeze mubadde mukola wamu. Ekyokulabirako wano olaba woman MP wange ali wano, chairman LC5 ali wano, deputy speaker ali wano, General Tafire yansooseewo naye yakamala ffenna kubanga newona ebo kawonda kubanga nabadde nga mulimu kubanga diiru yaffe bantu b'emitongo n'eggwanga so bwe tukora wamu kati nosanga nze nga deputy speaker oluusi waliwo issues sirina platform ey'okuzogera nguma ne MP wange ajja kuzogera, okay, then nosanga nti waliwo eziri mu cabinet kati ffenna tujja kugenda tuzitwale gye notafiire naye bwe tumala ebyo byonna twetaaga omuntu ku ground ana-implementinga bulungi kyolabira nga tulina kyamanya olusi5 waffe. So eyo unit of purpose nkulu nnyo. Nsaba abantu ba NRM bona we muri bwe muba nga mulina ebizibu byammwe nga byammwe ng'abantu mubiteeke ku bbali tusookere tukolere ekibiina ekyo kyekisinga. Awo bwe tujja kwetereeza nga tusinkana bali abanaava nabo nga bavudde mu prosesezi zaabwe ez'okunoonya mu kanisa. So kandaba abanankole bali nga bameka. Yes. Oh, yes, I never. So, nimpura nshemerirwe munonga abokureba ngo namara kweyandikisa kandi kwagenda kuva kandi nashemererwa munonga kugira ngo nija nshendekerezibwe aba MPs bagenzi banje ku rugo mu cyane abuma MP one butiriye tubashisha kandi nanyo nominated nawe yamara ko chairman C5 nanyo nominated na deputy speaker n'abajyaje ona yabakahonda ajya. So ubwo bumwe n'ekintu kikuru munonga abo cyangwa kiti kandi twaza kuza kushaba karuro mu bantu ni imana tuza kujya karuro kwihorera timpurire kwerarikira mu nakaki abo kuba imbere nashemerwa munonga kuranga nyine abanyesimba abo kwa obumwe abantu nibanga kwesimba bajangwa katizi birakagira yowe na weno yesimbire nanjye isimu yanjyeho tuza kubandikora kumwe tukore tebe abatokora programs kazomba tukabashobora tukaboreka niki ekikuza gukora tomanye nanyine binkabega nabo bine bikubakanyega then oratsinga muhero akwate ebyabandi bona babintu batisi byona abitware arebe ngo babicencura byaza kusavinga abantu. So ni impranche mediro munonga kandi akakaruru nikaza kwaje nyino gwese je kujya ntuza kasinga kandi ntuza kwitizanga nebirarugero agira wansinga ni muhagira namusinga impamya nawe ntajya kumpagira ejo niyo democracy kandi nicyo tukugera mu kazi kumukaro kuza kucyenjura
abanyamitoma ni muri ko bumune ndeba abazokera mwena muri ya
n'ekintu kikuru itwe nk'abanyamitoma kore ko mu aho kamitoma ne mwadisuteze zenyima waza kureba ebicweka nkamayanga okaza kureba ebicweka nkakigende nkaruburunga nkakiyanga tukirukubi tukabire. So agenda yitu nari plan yitashimwe ko yo muntu wantu ntubasa kuba mu byenyima tukahanisagana hebigambo tumanya enchi barohaho abanyigire bagenzi babo arabatabashemererwe konke kikuru ni omuramwa n'imitomo na nihangadi na NRM yitu abokwa ecyo ne kintu kikuru kandi ni kikuru kureba ngo twagendera muramwo akakaruka kwija twagaruka twakwatisa nicyo mushabira abantu mweri ndoro rimero mukozesa mwana muronda karuru takakoze soro miro kujumirana takakoze soro miro twanyagura abantu abo kwatoka amanyora abe nayenda mugenzi we mwenshi hino rukushaba karuku zo mu parliament kujuma mu parliament eyitu byo nshabira karuru tariyo program yo kujuma mu parliament wahezo tikujuma nibakuteka nkahe omukachiko akemicho bakufubira so ati watani ko kuvumira mu parliament ahe nchimanyisa ngukoraze na no mu parliament noza kunza muneje micho mutandiko shango ryo kumana bateko mu kiko so ni nshabu abantu aro program twine bintu byinje bikozerwe konga twine bitakakoze program eziteze ngudo program z'amashomero program z'amizi program zaki kandi bine byihanga ryo so turebe ngo twatandika kwerekera turonda abakozi abantu kumanya nohori kubasa kwikari akashakire cyane cyane nohori kubasa kuzekere nohori kubasa okubayamba mwagira ubuse icyo ni ikintu kikuru munonga kandi impanya n'ubwo murama ukurarondera haka electoral commission ya NRM eterire amateka ni nshabango amateka bari gutwa ago kureba ngo nijaga agabinje binani ngambaho ngo kuranga utaba menyombo utaba kurwana dimwagira raro mwanya gumwe naki tukwata niseje manya ekine cya family cya NRM cya family mucyo ndikubagambira kugira ngo mwamuryo umupajane bya family nimuteko kwejunisa ururimi rurungi abakwa hine kwatanise ndije yimwe eri kurenga kwani muhashanaho so nimbashaba muno kugira ngo uhamye abantu ba family tumwe tujyaba NRM kwejunisa ururimi rurungi kandi garukane webare Hai wa Musa.
Ambaye ready ndiye kwegarunya.
Agenda mbetsime.
Abagari kutwala mbetsime.
Aye, qualification ni sio kabisa COVID. Habibi ndio.
Yeah.
Well, byo biri kugenda misho kitebe kikuru cha NRM Arizoba kandi twareba Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa umyishengero wa Ruhinda North bagaruka kumwikiriza ngo ayisimbe kandi twatunguka kumanyisibwa kuhina abanda bamwesimbireho kandi we eki yashemererwa akagira ngo ekiroreka ngo hariho abari kwenda kumukorektinga kandi yaje nkora ya NRM na demokrasia they believe ngo umuntu yakwesimbaho aratari kurwanisa kwiharare kukwereka ngo hina hata katerire kandi yagira ngo akaruka aba free and fair urarabeho ni warashagike nawe kubo kumusinga arashara maze nyuma yo wasinga akaruru kugira ngo bagene base uwo muri Rubavu no mukazi we Anita Tayebwa kandi Rubavu rundi hariho Honorable Juliet Bashisha Agasha ubwo niwe woman member of parliament abwa Mitoma twatungo kumanyisibwa ngo General Kayenda Utafire umunyishengero wa Mitoma Central we yahereze ku nominatingwa kandi we aho yayarugire waho so nabwo eco nibyo rugendo misho abanyishengero bechi bina esha NRM bari ku barabyamu urije kwata bendera noha turebirizo bari yanyumwa bazyo Right Honorable Speaker mukuru Anita Monk nawe bire nominated izo bari yanyumwa bazyo kandi we nangwa yarabireho atine chakanisa ningashi ari unopposed okwate bendera ya NRM ahabwa Bukedea kandi yari kukomoka so nibyo ibyo biri kugenda misho ubundi turazagumiza mu tuboreke twareba na member wa parliament woman MP abwantungwa mu district Honorable Bata Kamateneti nawe bamurangirira bagira ngo please go ahead now eshiramanyisa ngo ababaza ku rugaho hati bagaruko mu byaro batandike kuronda akaruru nawe bamwe bari kuronda akaruru ubwire butakayishire konka wamara kuba nominated nibwo rikirizibwa hati fure okugira ngo ze kuronda akaruru oshaba akaruru abantu bakwesige bakuterera akaruru ko kuza kubacikira umuyishengero nibyebi turaza kwiyongera kuboreka ibindi birakorateho umbire bumishwaho kandi nano makuru gitu agamushanju agaraza kwijana pleasure ajuna rebeka nguti warugaha mukutu gwito gwa Tayari West ubwatere kankumze mukenga nabusha rero twamara tugumize mukoreka nebindi ebirije kurataho abwakashunshore cya kandi Samu wenyine utarugaha Tayari West.
Otaferwa aha Tayari West
ara munya-Uganda we naratandika business iri hansi ya $5,000,000 bamuhire imyaka 3 kujumara